This is Lisa with Lisa's Landscape and Design, and today Iris and I are talking about the Mystic Spires. Mystic Spires is such a lovely plant, such a beautiful cultivar for the Central Texas landscape. It is a little cousin of the indigo spires, which is also a beautiful plant, likes a little more shade than sun for the most part, whereas this one seems to do very well in both part shade and sun. This one's underneath a rose, climbing rose, so it'll get a little bit of afternoon sun, not a whole lot, but dappled light throughout the day. What I love about it is its compact size. It's about 2 to 2.5 feet tall max, maybe a foot or so wide, which is why I have it on this upright video, because if I turn it sideways I can't seem to catch most of it. But I love the purple flowers. One of the big differences I would say from its big cousin is that it's a much more profuse bloomer. It has a much longer blooming cycle, starts very early in the spring and then just seems to just keep on going throughout the summer months. You see it's already loaded with new buds. I love the large leaved structure of it as well. I think it is a really catching plant in the landscape. Here I have it next to my Engelmann's daisy that's about to blow. I'll be featuring that shortly. Some irises, daylilies. It really is an interesting contrast in its green and the glossy leaves that I think plays really well in the landscape. I use this throughout the landscape. It's one that you could be used in a border bed. It could also be used here as I have it here, kind of amongst some other children. It is super drought tolerant, deer resistant, very low maintenance, will die back completely in the springtime, or I'm sorry, in the winter, and then makes a pretty quick comeback the following year. And I just can't say enough great things about it because it's just so easy to care for. It's obviously a magnet for all of our wildlife, which is a huge attraction. I think anytime you plant something where the bees and the butterflies and such come to visit, which is always a bonus. And again, just being such an ever-blooming plant makes it such a high-quality asset for any gardener. Super xerophytic, rut garden, your edible beds, wherever you want to see a little color, I would highly encourage you to give this baby a try. I'm seeing it more and more readily. And again, it's Mystic Spires. You won't be disappointed. And with that, go get your garden on.